Hey, Donald Miller, Donald Miller's Electrical Services. Back to using the iPhone for our final walkthroughs. My YouTube camera isn't doing too good. So for right now, we're doing a final walkthrough. We're about to start pulling up. So it's rewired and it's patched, but at least you can see the protection and us pulling it up and see the process. All right, so we are rewired. And the floor protection's still down. Now we are done patching, so might as well show it. So we're still cleaning. You can kind of see a little bit of the mess that's made during the process. We put a heater in. Might as well show the heater. All right. New switches. I gotta walk over here real quick. There we go. All right, so let's get back to here. I had to turn a switch off. All right, so these are old school, but we have a light up there, so we can close these. We used a 5,000 degree Kelvin bulb. We can switch it out to a 2,700 degree. Okay, but it gives a little bit more of a brighter light, I guess you would call it. It's more like daylight bulbs. Has a little bit more, it's a little bit more blue on the spectrum. So they're hinge switches, so as this hinge closes, it goes off. I'm just gonna go like that. All right, so let's go to the next one. Flat screen TV. All right, here's the process. And we just have to wipe everything down. Top to bottom, the whole house gets a wipe down. It provides a better quality rewire. It just makes the rewire 10 times better. So the hallway is carpeted, or it's carpeted. So we use floor protection in the hallway. So let's see if I can, when it comes up, see how nice the carpet is underneath? I'm gonna just cover that. And it's a double layer, so the carpet is actually right here. This is all double protected and this is double protected. All right. Now this is on the other side of the master. This is, I guess you could call this the master changing room. All right, nice old school 1980s workout television. So again, they're on hinges. So this will all get wiped down with Windex. But because paper towels are on a shortage right now, we'll figure it out. So that will go off. Let's see if you can see it. There it goes. Open it up, comes back on. And here's another one. All right. Plumbers. I'm gonna do. Oh, hinge there it is. So, this is old school. Had that in the 1920s. Maybe not the 20s, probably the 60s. This was definitely renovated a little bit later. There's an old school safe for you. Old school outlet. So floor protection, that all will come up. All right, here's another room. Now we have another bath. Oh, this is a closet. Could be a bathroom, it's big enough. Here's a couple holes again. They had partition cats in the wall here, so we couldn't fish straight down. Obviously, we fished up. Chandelier. All right, I believe this is the third bathroom. And we didn't start cleaning this one yet. We didn't start cleaning this bathroom yet, but we clean as we go. We had some protection down here. The protection came up. That's another heater. The old ones were huge, so when we swapped them out, the newer model is just that much smaller. Hello. All right. We're gonna go to the third floor. We had the carpet protector down here. All right. We had the carpet protector down here, and you can see, like, you could never, this looked like it did downstairs about 2 hours ago. All right, you can see the patching. Just to let you know that we were up here. These floors are very nice. Let's open, let's see what we got here. All right. This is our end product. Baseboards are all wiped down. Doesn't even look like a room we were in. These ones had an attic above us, so we didn't have to make any holes. Fan. Floors turned out nice. Put a little polish on them. I believe this is the fourth bathroom. All right. Let's go to the end of the hall. We still have one more room on the second floor to do, so we'll take a look at that. All right. Carpets. So all these rooms rewired. All right, this is about a 4-week rewire. Took us a little bit. We found a lot of challenges. But here, this is, I think this is the fifth bathroom. So let's take a look. We have one hole here. Most of this stuff we were able to fish. And last bedroom. Let's go over here. I'll be able to. All right. All right, so this furniture was left and we just wrapped it for them. Okay, we don't mind it if there's like 1 or 2 pieces of furniture on the house. We'll wrap the furniture. All right, so let's, we'll go back through here. It looks nice. Start turning the lights out. All right. Now each side, depending on what side of the house you live on, is controlled from upstairs as well as downstairs. So if you're coming up the steps and your bedroom's in the back of the house, each one of these fixtures is controlled separately. The dimmers we put in for the third floor can also be controlled from your iPhone. So if you get into bed, or if you leave the light on as you look up and you see a light on in the bedroom in the morning or whatever, you can use your iPhone to turn them off. So both of these locations are controlled from right here. So both of them upstairs are now out. So we're gonna go down the back of the house. All right, now we're gonna empty into the laundry room hallway, okay, or the butler's hallway. Laundry room, rewired, and then they're gonna have a security set up here. This all has to get wiped down. All right. Now we're in the cleaning area, so you might as well see it halfway through. Here we are. Here's all the plastic coming down. All right, here's the floor protection still down. We still have all the drapes protected. That's a process. This is our staging area. Trash. All right, so that's the walkthrough. It's a 6,500 square foot home. Oh, I didn't show you the living room. We'll do the dining room. Dining room is still in the process of getting rewired. We're putting new transformers on this. This is low voltage, as well as the side sconces. So all the side sconces are low voltage, wax, with a 10-watt screw-in pin. The main foyer, and you can see us starting to come down. So the railing's being removed. All right, another bathroom. Who doesn't love bathrooms? All right, the floors all get mopped, everything gets polished. Well, if you want polishing, like we can do an investor's rewire. That's a completely different style of rewire. Let's turn some lights on. Oh, power's not on here yet. We're still working on the AFCI breakers. And then we have the sun porch. All right, here's the sun porch. Turn that back on, please. All right, so you just got to see in the middle of a rewire of the cleanup process. So we're done rewiring, I would say yesterday, and then we started cleaning. And then today's been all day cleaning. It's a 6,500 square foot house. So cleaning is gonna take a little bit. We're about 12 hours in. The house could probably take another 8 to fully clean. But, and I'll do a final walkthrough. It probably won't be as extensive because it is a large home. This typical walkthrough is 8 minutes on my YouTube videos. Right now we're at 15 minutes and I didn't even go into the basement yet. The basement's 100% finished. So all our work was done with a finished basement underneath. So it took a little bit longer, but on average, this should be about a 4-week rewire. All right, well, thank you for watching. God bless. Take care.